everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A historic blizzard is hammering the northeast United States tonight, bringing vicious snow, hurricane force wind gusts and widespread power outages. The massive nor'easter has intensified into what meteorologists call a bomb cyclone, rapidly strengthening as its central pressure plunged 40 millibars in less than 24 hours. The storm is still intensifying. Snowfall has already exceeded a foot in several areas along the I-95 corridor, with the snowfall rates reaching an astonishing 1 to 3 inches per hour and in some spots even 4 inches per hour. From Philadelphia to Boston, totals of 1 to 2 feet are expected, with the parts of New Jersey and eastern Massachusetts likely to see the heaviest snowfall. More than 10,000 flights have been cancelled and over 8,000 delayed. Roads are becoming impassable and travel is being described as dangerous to nearly impossible. Fierce winds, potential topping 75 miles per hour in the parts of the Long Island and southeast New England, have already knocked out power to more than 250,000 customers. Heavy snow weighing down trees' branches and combined with the powerful gust means outages are expected to rise. States of emergency have been declared in the New York and New Jersey, now expanded to Connecticut, Delaware, Massachusetts, Rhode Island and Maryland. Blizzard warnings are in effect for more than 40 million people from Maryland to Massachusetts, including New York City, Boston and Providence. Public schools in Boston and New York City are closed, and New Jersey Transit has been suspended and travel bans are in effect on multiple highways. Adding to the danger, coastal flooding of up to 3 feet is possible from Delaware to Maine, with the warnings remaining in place through Tuesday morning. This could rank among the top 5 snowstorms on record for several major cities. The storm is expected to continue trending before slowly pulling away. Stay indoors, stay safe, and stay with us for continuing coverage of this historic Northeast blizzard. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.